In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Google Sheets files into a Microsoft Excel file. Let's get started. So I have this example data open on my Google Sheets app on my desktop. Now let's say I wanted to share this in Excel format or in Microsoft Excel format. What I'm going to do is to go to File here in the menu bar. There we have it. And select Download right between our email and rename options. And on the right side, we have the different type of formats in which we can download this file into. So we have the first option, which is of course our Microsoft Excel format, our open document, PDF, web page, comma separated values, and tab separated values. So of course, we're going to go to our first option, which is Microsoft Excel. If I click on this one, this would open my computer drive. Now I can decide where to save this file that will be saved again as a Microsoft Excel file. So you can choose from whichever folder that you have on your computer or on your computer drive. Once you've selected that, you can just click on Save right here. And that would automatically be downloaded, and here we have it. So once that's downloaded, you can just go to your computer drive and open it in your Microsoft application. Now, since I don't have the Microsoft Office, as you see here in my download, it will show this Google Chrome. But of course, if you already have that app, then that will just simply show you the Excel icon right here. So if I do try and upload the same file on my Google Drive by going to New right here, then select File Upload, select the same file that we just downloaded as Microsoft Excel, click on Open. Now it's starting the upload. You'll see that we have a different icon for this file already. If I click on it to open, it will open in Google Sheets, but again, the format is already in Microsoft Excel. And you will be able to tell that it's in Excel with this part right here, which if you click, this is an Office formatted file. And there you have it. That's how we can download our Sheets files into a Microsoft Excel file here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.